Dragons and volcanoes. While a link between dragons and fire is obvious, I would go further that volcanic environmental conditions are dragons' preferred habitat and possibly necessary for dragons to lay collections of eggs. Much is being known and discussed of the specific environmental conditions dragon eggs require to hatch. However, here has been almost nothing on the possible condition requirements for dragons to lay eggs. Below is an analysis which I would conclude that dragons are very sensitive to their environments, also they requiring volcanic habitat to survive as a species. Reviewing WOI8F, I was able to identify only 4 locations of established volcanic activity. I also reviewed other locations that potentially have volcanic activity and non-volcanic locations where dragons reside. I live in Valeria, Dragonmont, Winterfell, Marahai. Other locations are Hardhome, Mother of Mountains, The Shadow, and Dragon Pits, Brimstone. Dragons engender the accounts of mushroom that Vermax left a clutch of eggs somewhere in the depths of Winterfell's crypts, where the waters of the host spring run close to the walls, was dismissed. Aside from Yandal's bias against mushroom, this disregard was justified due to the Orthodox beliefs that dragons have gender, which seems to be only identifiable by observing which dragons lay eggs. Vickers scholarly debate exists among maesters on the subject of dragon gender and mating, indicating that the sexual process was not obvious.